Hi there, welcome my dear students. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you how to download and install XAMPP on your Windows laptop or on your MacBook. So what you have to do, you have to go on google.com, and what you have to do, you have to write down here XAMPP and hit enter. And the first link, you need to open up the first link here. Can you see the first link, www.apachefriends.org? You need to go on the official website of XAMPP, right click on it and open this in new tab. And here you can see we have different versions of XAMPP. Like we have XAMPP for Windows, XAMPP for Linux, XAMPP for OS, like for MacBook. So, or if you are looking for specific versions, what you have to do, you can like click here for the other versions, and you will see more versions of XAMPP. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to install the XAMPP latest version, that is 64-bit. I'm going to download 8.2.4. PHP version is 8.2.4, and maybe when you are watching this video, the version of this XAMPP and PHP version is increased. Just download the latest one, whatever you saw there at your, when you are watching this video. So the process is same. Even if you are in future, if you are going to watch this video, you can follow the same process to install the XAMPP on your system. So click on download 64-bit, click on that, and this is going to automatically start your downloading. And in any case, like if your download doesn't start automatically, you can like simply click here to download. Like for me, it's not starting, I think, and yeah, it's starting now. This will take few minutes, and we can take a break here, and once the download has been completed, we can start installing the XAMPP on our system. Okay guys, so our XAMPP has been downloaded. What you have to do, you can right click on it, and you can go into the downloads folder, and from there you can double click. But what I'm going to do, I will just simply click on open, and this is going to pop up this screen, pop up on the screen, the XAMPP installation. Okay, so you will see a warning message similar to this one. Just simply click on OK, and after that you will see like prompt like similar to this one. And after that, what you have to do, you need to click on next, and yeah, we are pretty much good. And after that, again next, and this is the location where you are going to install your XAMPP by default. So you can change the XAMPP by default location, but I'm going with the default location, and I will click on next. You have languages here. We have only two languages, Dutch and English. And after that, you have to click on next. And it's saying setup is now ready to begin installation XAMPP on your computer. You can simply click on next, and this is going to install on your system. This will take like few minutes or a few seconds to install on your system. And after that, you are able to do work in your system. So this will take few minutes, I think. And once this is complete, I will show you how to run the XAMPP server and run your PHP script or your Laravel project on this. So let's wait for a few minutes. Okay guys, so Once this is done, you will see a pop-up similar to this one. What you can do, you can uncheck this and you need to allow private network and allow access. And it's saying our installation has been finished. It's saying, do you want to start the control panel now? I will say, yeah, go on. I want to test my XAMPP server is like running fine or not. So I will click on finish and you will see a control panel similar to this one. What you have to do, you need to run the Apache web server, click on start, and if you don't see any error, that means it's running perfectly fine. So can you see it's running now? And after that you will see a MySQL. So you need to start for database, you need to start your MySQL server as well. Click on start. And when you are going to start MySQL server, again, this is going to give you a security warning. And you can click on private networks and allow access. And here you go. Your Apache and MySQL is running. And if you want to see the control panel here, like you want to go on database, here, it's saying this is, no, not this one, sorry. And you can click on admin. And here you are in your database. Like you can come here, you can create your database. So what's the next step? Once the XAMPP control panel has been installed in your laptop, what you have to do, you can minimize this one, and what you have to do, you can go into your PC, and in PC you will see a folder like this one, like XAMPP. You have to go in XAMPP. In XAMPP you will have like htdocs. Inside htdocs, you can create your folders here. You can run your PHP scripts from here. Whatever you are going to write, you are going to create a web application or anything. You have to do that here. That is linked with your database with MySQL. Anything that you are going to run that is related to PHP scripts, you need to run this inside htdocs. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. For more videos, to stay updated with more videos, you need to press like if you like the video and hit the subscribe button and stay updated. I'll see you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.